Medicube Triple Collagen Cream. The time machine in a jar. Say bye to wrinkles and dryness. Ever wish you could turn back the clock on your skin? Medicube Triple Collagen Cream isn't just a moisturizer, it's your skin's personal rewind button. Packed with triple collagen, hyaluronic acid, and premium elastin, this powerhouse formula plumps, firms, and deeply hydrates to restore your youthful glow. Unlike basic creams that sit on the surface, this one penetrates deep, strengthening your skin barrier for long-lasting hydration and elasticity. With results in as little as 2 weeks, it smooths fine lines, tightens pores, and brightens dark spots, because who has time for dull, tired skin? What makes this cream next level? It's not just about hydration, it's about transformation. Featuring 16 patented ingredients, including the award-winning LINK N LIFT Elastin from France, it rebuilds your skin's bounce while refining texture and reducing wrinkles. Plus, the Enantia Chlorantha Bark Extract keeps oil and enlarged pores in check, while olive leaf extract fights blemishes and premature aging. Whether you're battling dryness, fine lines, or dullness, this cream tackles it all, without feeling greasy or heavy. It's luxury skincare without the luxury price tag. Most creams promise hydration but leave you reaching for more. Not this one. Triple Collagen plus Hyaluronic Acid plus Elastin is the ultimate moisture-locking trio, ensuring your skin stays dewy and plump all day, no more midday flakiness or tightness. And the best part? It's clinically tested and free from 15 harmful ingredients, making it safe for sensitive skin. Forget about breakouts or clogged pores, this cream delivers deep nourishment without irritation. It's skincare that works smarter, not harder. If you're tired of wasting money on weak, ineffective creams, this high-tech Korean formula is a game-changer. Unlike cheap moisturizers that fade fast, Medicube's Triple Collagen Cream works at the cellular level, repairing and strengthening with every use. Plus, its silky, fast-absorbing texture means no sticky, greasy residue, just a smooth, radiant finish. No more layering tons of products, this one cream does it all, saving you time and money while keeping your routine effortless. So, is it worth it? 1000% yes. It's powerful, luxurious, and backed by science. In just weeks, you'll see tighter pores, fewer wrinkles, and a radiant glow that gets better over time. Whether you're fighting the first signs of aging or looking for the ultimate moisture-boosting, skin-firming solution, this cream is your new holy grail. Don't just take our word for it, try it and watch your skin transform.